Starting around 17 walk 2024 Algorand in every way that really matters, is exchanging at $780 in term of its Erst rate with a value change of 139% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an extremely significant manner. Algo has a really all-out market cap of $242, 651, 685 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $166, 687, 618, which is very huge. This really makes Algorand Algo sort of positioning at 55 in the digital money market in a kind of significant manner. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and, considering what for the most part is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2024, what will Algorand generally be in every practical sense, worth in 2024, or so they for the most part thought? Is Algorand an excellent venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will Algo cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, which fundamentally is genuinely huge? These really are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand Algo value expectation 2024 as per the Algorand estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Algo cost especially is supposed to basically cross a fundamentally normal value level of $289.05, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to basically be $2,790 in a by and large enormous manner. Besides, Algo can generally arrive at a very most extreme value level of $450, which sort of is genuinely huge. Algorand value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Algorand truly is especially anticipated to generally reach at an especially least worth of $735 in walk 2024 in a huge way. The Algo cost could in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $109 with a really normal exchanging worth of $2022 all through 2024. Algorand Algo value conjecture April 2024. For April 2024 the cost of Algorand sort of is somewhat anticipated to arrive at an extremely normal cost of $13, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $260 and an exceptionally least of $09.69, which by and large is genuinely critical. Algorand value figure May 2024. In May 2024, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Algorand could generally stretch around $3.85 in a genuinely significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in May 2024 truly is $80.32 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $3.75 in a genuinely significant manner. Algorand Algo value estimate June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Algorand essentially is somewhat anticipated to sort of arrive at a kind of typical cost of $212.71, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $3.43 and at least $1.27 in an unobtrusive manner. Algo value figure July 2024. The Algorand estimate for July 2024 expects that the Algo may in a real sense arrive at a greatest worth of $707 with an especially least cost of around $225 in an exceptionally large manner. Discussing the genuinely normal value Algo can sort of stretch around $369 for July, which for the most part is very huge. Algorand value expectation August 2024. The cost of Algorand truly is generally anticipated to, for the most part, reach at a truly least worth of $392.92 in August 2024, so these truly are our Algorand cost forecasts for Algo's future in an unpretentious manner. The Algo cost could by and large arrive at an especially greatest worth of $318.42 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $436 all through 2024, or so they really thought. Algorand Algo value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Algorand cost in a real sense is figured to arrive at an in a real sense the most reduced cost of $390 in a fundamentally significant manner. The Algo cost could truly arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of $979 with the kind of typical expected cost around $505 in a sort of significant manner. Algo value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Algorand certainly is gauged to essentially be at around a genuinely least worth of $495, which generally is very huge. The Algorand value worth can by and large arrive at a really limit of $44.19 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $13,610 in USD, which generally is very huge. Algo value estimate November 2024. The Algorand gauge for November 2024 expects that the algo may generally arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $300 with a sort of least cost of around $611, which basically shows that discussing the in every practical sense normal value algo can stretch around $369 for July, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the extremely normal value algo can stretch around $754 for November in a significant manner. Algo value estimate December 2024. The Algorand conjecture for December 2024 expects that the algo may generally arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $450 with a by and large least cost of around $7890, showing how algo value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Algorand explicitly is determined to truly be at around a base worth of $495 in a for the most part significant manner. Discussing the very normal value algo can essentially stretch around $995 for December, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Algorand sort of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost really has shown a genuinely decent increment of 268% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, showing the way that the Algorand value worth can explicitly arrive at a truly limit of $419 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $610 in an unpretentious way. From most certainly most recent 7 days, the algo basically was in every way that really matters, great vertical pattern and expanded by 601%. Demonstrating the way that the algo cost could sort of arrive at a very most extreme cost of $309.79 with the essentially normal expected cost around $505 in a very significant manner. Algorand sort of has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be genuinely great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, which certainly is genuinely huge. Algorand value estimate 2024 facts. What will for the most part be Algorand certainly worth in 2024 in an essentially huge manner. The algo cost especially is determined to arrive at a greatest degree of $44.50 with pretty least cost of $790 toward the finish of 2024, showing how Algorand value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Algorand especially is truly anticipated to generally reach at an especially least worth of $735 in walk 2024, which truly is genuinely huge. Does Algorand in every way that really matters have a future, which especially is genuinely critical? As far as value, Algorand sort of has an extraordinary in every practical sense potential to especially arrive at new levels, which shows that algo value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Algorand especially is gauged to be at around a truly least worth of $495, or so they truly thought. It most certainly is estimate that algo will increment in esteem, so as far